Hello, my name is Claire and I will guide you step by step to install Strava on your mobile phone. The procedure will be the same whether you use an Apple phone or an Android phone. You will just have to go to the App Store for Apple and the Google Play Store on Android. Unfortunately, the application is not compatible with Windows phones. Once you are on the App Store, do a search to find the Strava application that looks like this. Download the application and wait for it to install. It may take more or less time depending on the speed of your connection. Open the application. If you are opening the application for the first time, you will need to create an account. You can choose to link your Strava account to your Facebook account if you wish, or create an account with an email address and password. Here you will have the possibility to receive notifications. If you want to see what your friends are doing, for example, click Allow. Otherwise, click Reject. You will always have the option to change these settings later. Then you will be asked to enter your first name, surname, date of birth, and gender. You cannot create an account without giving this information, but you can decide who has access to this information later in the privacy settings. Strava asks if you want to receive emails from them. It's up to you to choose what you want. Some safety information inviting users not to look at their phones while cycling, for example. Here, Strava invites you to subscribe. You can pass this without further action and use the free version of the application for Walkn'Pray. Then Strava asks you to allow access to your position. It is important to say yes. Otherwise, your GPS will not be able to work and record your prayer walks. Here, you can choose a sport. In our case, we will choose walking. Now the application is ready to register your first step, but we still have one or two things to do. If you want, you can find friends who use this application. I will do it later. Ditto for the subscription to the athletes. A quick word of welcome. And now we will connect to the Walkn'Pray Club, which will allow our team to record the prayer routes on a daily basis. Click on Explore. In Clubs, search for Walkn'Pray, then click on Join. From now on, you are ready to record your prayer walks. When you leave to pray alone or in a group, launch the application, select Walk if you have not already done so. At the end of your prayer walk, click on Stop, finish and save the activity. This is all you have to do to ensure that our team receives information from the prayer walks. I'll show you two more things that are useful for using Strava. First of all, if you want to refine the privacy settings, go to Settings like this, then Privacy Controls. Here you can choose who sees what by selecting Everyone, Subscribers, or No One. But know that if you choose No One, we will not be able to see and record your prayer walks. And then finally, if you click on Profile and go down a little bit, you will find your clubs. By clicking on Walkn'Pray, you can follow the activities of the group members and see all the prayer walks. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our website www.walkn'pray.com, where you will find a list of answers to the most common questions.